Hey pizza lovers, Leo here from Rick's Review Hub. Ready to turn your kitchen into a pizzeria? Today we're diving into the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, an electric countertop oven that promises authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas in just 2 minutes. Want to know if it's worth the hype? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down the features. The Breville Pizzaiolo is a 1,500 watt oven that reaches a blazing 750 degrees, mimicking a wood-fired brick oven. It uses Element IQ technology with multiple heating elements to balance heat for perfect crusts and toppings. It has preset modes for wood-fired, New York, pan, thin and crispy, and frozen pizzas, plus a manual mode for custom tweaks. The 12-inch cordierite stone ensures crispy bases, and it comes with a pizza peel and a deep dish pan. The stainless steel design looks sleek, and the viewing window lets you watch your pizza bake. Now the pros. This oven is a game changer. I made a Neapolitan pizza with a puffy, leopard-spotted crust in under 2 minutes. Better than any home oven I've tried. The presets make it super easy for beginners, and the manual mode lets pros fine-tune for perfect results. It's great for indoor use, no outdoor space needed, and it holds heat well for back-to-back pizzas. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe the stone and door. For around $800 on sale, it's a solid investment for pizza lovers. But there are cons. At nearly $1,000 full price, it's expensive, and you could buy a lot of takeout for that. The 12-inch stone limits pizza size, so it's not ideal for big crowds. Cleaning the interior can be tricky due to tight spaces, and the stone can discolor or smoke if flour builds up. It's also a bit bulky, taking up as much space as a large microwave. I recommend the Breville Pizzaiolo for pizza enthusiasts who want restaurant-quality pies at home, especially if you lack outdoor space for a wood-fired oven. It's perfect for weekly pizza nights or impressing guests, but if you're on a budget or don't make pizza often, a baking steel and a regular oven might be enough. Ready to elevate your pizza game? Click the link in the description to grab the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Let's keep the pizza party rolling.